Hello kids! Today we will draw a cute Hello Kitty. Let's start step by step. First, draw a bow ribbon on the head. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. Then draw a round face. And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. Now make two eyes and a small nose. On both sides, draw 3 straight lines. These are the whiskers. Buy you a dog named Rover. Next, draw the body of Hello Kitty. Draw both arms to complete the drawing. Heart fall down, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town. Now make all the lines bold with a marker. Color it together. Dark pink color fill in the bow and sleeves. Pink color fill in the dress.
Yellow color.
Yeah! Our cute Hello Kitty drawing is ready.